We'll guide you through how to stretch text CapCut. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Second, press the Windows Start button on your computer taskbar and type in CapCut into the search box. Open the CapCut application from the search results and wait for it to load completely before continuing. Open an existing project if you already have one available, or create a new project to start from scratch. If your project does not already contain a video, import the video file that you want to edit. Once the video has been imported, drag it onto the timeline so it is ready for editing. Next, click the text button from the toolbar to access the text editing tools. Select Add Text to create a new text layer. Then type the text you want to stretch. After entering the text, click the text layer on the timeline to make sure it is selected. Then click the text directly in the preview window so the editing controls become available. Move to the settings panel on the right side of the window and locate the uniform scale option. If uniform scale is enabled, toggle it off to unlock separate controls for the text dimensions. Once it is disabled, locate the scale height setting that appears in the panel. Drag the scale height slider to the left or right until the text is stretched in the direction that matches your design. Continue adjusting the slider carefully until the text reaches the appearance you want without making it difficult to read. After changing the text proportions, reposition the text within the preview window so it fits neatly inside your video layout. Make sure the placement does not cover important parts of the video unless that is your intention. Play the video in the preview window to review how the stretched text looks during playback. Watch the animation or movement carefully to ensure the text remains clear and visually balanced throughout the scene. When everything looks correct, save your project to preserve the changes.